read is this book called Leveraging Drupal. And this is more of a book about actually how to do the development of the site. It's not really what Drupal is, but it's like how you might hire people and divide up responsibilities for planning the site, implementing the site, how you might have a test site and a production site and all that kind of stuff. In other words, how to actually put Drupal to use. And the other book I want to mention is Cracking Drupal, and that's talking about the security aspects of Drupal. You know, how security vulnerabilities might be introduced. And, you know, if you're going to write modules, that might be a good book to look at too. But that's the end of the presentation. I've just got a list of the illustrations I used. All these I got off Wikimedia Commons. So they're all free for use. But as for the next thing that I'll do is let me just create a couple of empty Drupal sites just to show how easy that is to do. All I'm going to do is go into the sites directory and figure out what my IP is. 192.168.176. I'm just going to make a directory 192.168.1.76.site1. I'm going to make site 2. Then I'm just going to touch a settings.php file inside each of those. Whoops, I need this. And site 2. I need to make those world writable. And so now all I have to do is go to that URL, and it's a brand new, different Drupal site. So site 1. Drupal actually looks at the URL, and I did these as IP, so I'm just going to do 192.168.1.76. Oh, and one last thing I need to do is actually tell the web server where to look. So I'll just go here. Site 1. And site 2. So hopefully that should point me to a brand new install of Drupal. And it's that easy to create another site, also site 2. And so if you guys...
It just goes to another one where you can install another.
Yeah, because I created a directory named 192.168.1.76 site 2. And so it realizes that that is a new Drupal site. So if y'all want, you know, feel free to go to that URL. The database is Drupal. So that's all I've got. Feel free to look through these books. Drupal's pretty cool. That's it.